In this tutorial, we will discuss the filter by feature and demonstrate how to filter activities in Primavera P6. Primavera P6 filters allows you to filter these activities by using activity codes or WBS levels. Filtering activities to display only the data of interest simply requires the creation of a filter or use of an existing filter. Here I am not using any default filters. I just show some important filters that we need in our project. In this filter, 3-week look-ahead schedule will be defined. In order to show all activities that start in the next 3 weeks, the first line must be, start is within range of DD in value. In high value put DD plus 3W. DD is data date. 3W means 3 week. Click OK. And we can see the effect of the filter. This filter 3-week look-ahead schedule is same as that of previous one except we are customizing dates. We are choosing dates for particular periods. And to show the activities that started before the data date. Filter we create as same as previous but we are adding one more criteria. Which is, activity status equals in progress. By doing so we get all in progress start activities between the customized dates. Here we are creating a filter based on activity code responsibility given in our project. Name the filter as responsibility. Select all of the following. Select the responsibility for the parameter and civil engineer for the value. Click on the OK button and run the filter. Go to Activity window. Bring columns from the main drop-down menu at the top of the screen and add the responsibility column to the activity window. We can see all responsible person for each activity from this column. Now we can see only activities performed under the responsibility of the civil engineer. Because of the filter we created. All activities must have a predecessor and a successor except project start and finish. So check any broken project logic activities when you review project schedule. Name the filter as no relationship activities. Select any of the following. Set the parameter predecessors equals blank. Also, set filter parameter as successors equals blank. Click OK and apply to run the filter. All activities completed and remaining activities with broken logic are displayed if you just use this filter alone. Suppose you are working on a project with thousands of activities. Then, you might want to review activities with total floats, for instance. 0 days you may want to define as critical. Where already available as default. 1 to 5 days you may want to define as near critical. Here we are creating near critical filter. Select total float from drop down list in parameter section. Select is within range of. Enter 1 for low value and 5 for high value to return float within 1 to 5 days. Give a filter name. Once you have done, click OK. And then select Apply to see filter result. This filter allows you to find out not started and in progress activity in next 10 days. Here we are excluding level of effort, WBS summary activity and activity status which is not equal to completed. By using behind schedule filter, those delayed activities can be highlighted so that we can stay focused on it. Name the filter as behind schedule activities. Select any of the following. Select all of the following in second row. In third row, set the parameter as baseline project finish is less than or equals to data date. Add activity status is not equal to completed in fourth row. Select first row and add new row for additional criteria. The moment add tag is selected, a new row appears as second row of the filter and the additional function or also appears in the filter boxes below. Select the new row and click add to add an additional rows. Once a new row appear, select baseline project start and set the criteria as is less than data date. Then add a new row again and select activity status from drop down list. Set the criteria as equals not started. Apply it. Finally, you have built a filter that return activity planned to started before status date but not yet started, and activity planned to finish by status date but not completed. Thanks for watching my video. For further more videos, please subscribe my channel.